What's going on, everybody? Today we are taking you behind the scenes for a boudoir photo shoot, okay? Now, why do we do these model shoots, okay? There's pretty obvious reason why. As a boudoir photographer or running a boudoir studio, we rarely get the opportunity to use our clients' photos for marketing material. But as many of you know, if you want to run a successful business, you have got to do a ton of marketing, right? Well, it's easy to just go ahead and set up a boudoir shoot and just hire a model and come in and do what you normally do. We tend to use these photo shoots to kind of push ourselves and create new and unique images that we wouldn't typically do with most of our clients, right? And the reason for this is because we get the opportunity to show our clients new things by demonstrating ideas and stuff that we wouldn't typically test on them. So Jen, why don't you go ahead and let them know what kind of shoot we're doing today, what kind of concepts we're working with.
So we're gonna be focusing on shots that I can feature on our Instagram, our website, that have to do with bridal boudoir, using a veil, utilizing a pair of wings that we just bought. So it's gonna be a lot of fun and a little bit different.
So we're gonna go ahead and put links to all the stuff we use down in the description below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down there. I'll be answering everything in the comment reel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Let's have fun.
This fantasy, so I can recognize what's hidden from me. I need this selfish dream, so I can understand this heart that's been bleeding. I need you, baby. It's a faithless road I'm on.
All right, guys, there you have it, behind the scenes of one of our model boudoir shoots. Our model, Natasha, crushed it today. Can you tell them where to follow you on Instagram?
It's just my name, @Natasha_Norrock.
Thank you guys so much, and make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and check out our latest videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.